Hey guys, how's it going? We're back with another steering wheel custom videos that you can see here. These six that I have in front of me are ones that, again, that we just got in. We're gonna show you guys some of the customizations because there is some here that I've never seen before, especially some. So like one that we're gonna show ahead is a 2005-2010 Dodge. You can use this for the Dodge Challenger, Charger, Chrysler 300, or also the Dodge Magnum. This one, as you can see here, the customization is in forge with black Alcantara, blue carbon fiber inlay, and blue stitching. You see that right there. You kind of want to get it a shot from the back because thanks to like how wide the 2005-2010 Chargers are, you can actually see like how the stitching looks in the back, right there. So again, this one's in forge, and these ones do actually like weigh a bit. Next up, we got the 2015 and 2023 Chargers. Again, this one is also in forge carbon with black Alcantara, forge carbon inlay, and purple stitching. Now, what I do kind of like about this customization is, now thinking about it, is that the forged carbon and the purple kind of actually does have like a good combination, which I really enjoy. So I think this one's a pretty nice one. I like it. Only thing I don't like is the Alcantara. I'm not a fan of Alcantara. We got a Ford F-150. This one again has a little weight to it. You got regular carbon fiber, red leather, black stitching, and this one is the red 12 o'clock ring, which again also is also fully customizable. If you guys don't want red, you guys can get blue, white, black, purple, green. This one has no inlay because that's also customizable, but this one's pretty nice. Just like the regular carbon fiber with the red. Now this one that we have right here is something that we haven't had actually for a while. I think I've only seen two of these. This one is for the Jaguar F Type R. This one right here is in regular carbon fiber, white leather, red carbon fiber inlay, red stitching, and then it is also in the LED version. So again, this is for the Jaguar F Type R. As you can even see right there on the center trim, it says it right there, Type R. Now, next up, we have another Dodge Charger 2015-2023. This one is basically kind of like a reverse default, but it's basically like the default, again, like the carbon fiber, black leather, LED, but instead of having red stitching and red carbon fiber inlay, they have it both in blue. So this one, like I say, it's kind of like an alternate. That's what I would like to say, alternate version. Not reverse version, because reverse version would basically mean it would be like red leather or red carbon fiber inlay and all that. This again for the Dodges 2015 to 2023. And then last up, we got our next customization, which I pretty like the color scheme. This is for the Jeep Wrangler JL Gladiator. It is blue carbon fiber inlay, yellow stitching, yellow 12 o'clock ring, and with black Alcantara. Now this one, I actually do like this color combination, the blue and yellow. Just again, not a fan of the Alcantara. I rather prefer the hand material be leather. So yeah, this one, I've hardly ever seen color scheme like this for blue and yellow together, and especially with black. So this one, I actually pretty like this one. So I would have to choose maybe my two favorites out of this batch today is this Jeep Wrangler and then the Dodge Charger 2015, or Dodges 2015 to 2023 with the forge and the purple. So yeah, I'd say out of the batch, these are two of my favorites. We're back with another steering wheel video. As you can see, I got 4 more steering wheels here that are custom made. They're going to go out today for their orders. I just want to show you guys the different types of styles. We got this one today. So first up, we're going to go ahead is with the Scion FRS steering wheel. Part number is VZ102533. Again, this is for the Scion FRS, the Subaru BRZ, and then the Toyota G86. It fits all 3 trims. This one is the LED version. And as you can see here, this one is just full-on black colored, blacked out. So you got regular carbon fiber, black leather, black stitching, black carbon fiber inlay. You got the LED dash screen right here, and then you got the carbon fiber center trim right there. So again, this one's just all blacked out. So remember, this steering wheel right here, it fits all 3 trims, FRS, BRZ, and G86. Next up, maybe I might do this one both so I can show you guys. Both right here, we got regular, like the Dodge ones, 2015 and 2023. We got one LED, we got one 12 o'clock ring. The LED right here, you can see this customer went full on blue. So you got blue carbon fiber, blue leather, blue stitching, blue carbon inlay, got the LED screen. So this one's actually pretty nice. You definitely have to know for sure if this one's going on a blue Charger. If not, who knows, maybe the customer just likes the color blue on it. But this one's pretty clean, I actually like it. Full on blue. Probably go like a full on red or full on white. That would actually be something. Because I know we do get like a lot of full on black steering materials, but I've never actually seen anyone go full on purple. Oh wait, no, we did. The other day we did, I totally forgot. And then after that, the other Dodge one is more of like the default style, but instead of just regular gloss carbon, it's actually a matte carbon. As you can see right here. Got the matte carbon material, black leather, red stitching, red 12 o'clock ring, but no inlay, which again is optional. So again, this is so much almost like the default styles that we have on the website, but in matte carbon instead. I think I've seen one where one person went forged carbon. I think I haven't seen no one do honeycomb yet. So anyone want to order a Dodge steering wheel, maybe you guys could do that. So we can see how it checks out. I have one in honeycomb because that is also what we require. I mean, sell, required. This is a first, one of our first orders that we've ever had. We've never actually had one, ever. This is for the Tesla Model S. The part number is VZ102062. You can see right here, so this customer went full carbon fiber, black Alcantara, black carbon inlay, the carbon fiber trim, and this customer actually went with full LED and the blue 12 o'clock ring, which is actually an option that you guys could do if you want. I'll show you in the back. Like that, the 12 o'clock ring. Again, that is like a customizable preference for you guys if you guys want both the 12 o'clock ring and LED, or you guys could just choose one. But again, this is for a Tesla Model S. Tesla Model S. So this is one of the very first ones that we've ever gotten. So yeah, any you Tesla lovers out there, when it says this thing, we got it for the S, the Y, the X. We got the York style as well. And that's about it for today. So yeah, thank you guys for coming by. We'll show you guys later on for more steering wheels. Stay tuned for all those customizations, and we'll see you guys then. Laters.